if I give you these 2 points, can you find the midpoint? Most people can get the answer, but they don't actually know how it works. And someone pointed that out in the comments. They asked, how did you get 5? And honestly, that is the real question. Why is the midpoint not 4 or 6? Let me break it down. But first, let me show you the quick method. So this method involves taking the averages of both axes. So let's focus on the x values. So for the x-axis, we are going to have it as 2 plus 8. Then we divide by 2. This is going to give us 10 divided by 2, which equals 5. Let's do same for the y-axis. We have the y values to be 3 plus 7. Then we take the average by dividing by 2. This gives us 10 divided by 2. It also equals 5. So therefore, the midpoint equals 5. This is where most people stop. But here is the problem. If you only memorize this, you don't actually understand it. Let me show you why using this number line. We focus first on the x values. So we have 2 and 8 for the x value. To find the total distance from 2 to 8, we are going to find the difference. So we have 8 minus 2, which equals 6. Then to find the middle, we split this difference in half. So we divide it by 2, and this gives us 3. Therefore, starting from 2, we are going to move 3 steps forward. We have 1, 2, and 3. And that lands us exactly in the middle, which is 5. Notice something. We didn't guess these points. We built it. Now, let's do same thing for the y values. So we have from 3 to 7 for the y values, right? The total distance between these points is going to be 7 minus 3, which equals 4. Then to find the midpoint, we are going to split this difference in half to have 4 divided by 2 to give us 2. So starting from 3, we move 2 steps forward. So we have 1, 2. And this lands us exactly in the middle, which is also 5. So you see how it works now. Here's the interesting part. This average method we used earlier is just a shortcut of what we just did. So instead of finding the distance and halving it to get the midpoint, we just go straight to the middle using the average. And because coordinates have 2 parts, we do the same thing twice. Once for x and once for y. And that is why the midpoint is written in this form. But here's a mistake a lot of students make. They add up both values of x and y and find the average. This is wrong. You have to treat x and y values separately. Alright, try this one. Pause the video and find the midpoint between these 2 points. Leave your answer in the comment. Let's recap quickly. Midpoint is the point exactly halfway between 2 coordinates. And you find it by splitting the distance equally. And here is where it gets interesting. What if I give you the midpoint and only 1 point? Can you still find this missing coordinate? That is exactly what we are tackling next. If this made sense to you, kindly hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to Math Easy. I am Math Easy. Let's keep making math easy.